Imagine turning your e-commerce site into a sales machine that converts visitors into buyers at double the rate, all without spending a dime on premium tools. As a web developer, you've got the skills, but what if AI could supercharge them to skyrocket online sales in 2026? Today, I'm revealing 10 free AI tools that every web dev needs to boost e-commerce revenue, complete with real demos that'll have you implementing them today. Stick around because by the end, you'll have the blueprint to make your sites irresistible. If you're ready to level up your dev game and watch those sales charts climb, hit play and let's dive in. Hey there, fellow coders and e-com warriors. I'm Mohammed Tahir, and welcome back to WordPress Plugin Pro, where we hack the web to build profitable empires. If you're tired of clunky sites that leak conversions or endless hours tweaking code for marginal gains, this video is your golden ticket. We're talking free AI tools that automate, optimize, and personalize, turning average stores into high-converting beasts. And yes, I'll demo each one so you can see the magic in action. Why focus on 2026? Because AI is evolving faster than ever, and these tools are set to dominate. According to recent stats, e-commerce sites using AI personalization see up to 30% more sales. But don't worry, no fluff here. We'll cover tools for code gen, SEO, automations, designs, and more. Let's jump into number 1. Tool number 1, Google Gemini. This bad boy is your free AI coding sidekick. Need to whip up personalized product recommendations? Gemini generates clean JavaScript snippets in seconds. Demo time, head to gemini.google.com. Prompt it with write a React component for dynamic ecom upsell based on user cart. Boom, it spits out code you can copy-paste. Integrate it, and watch cart values jump 15 to 20%. Pro tip, use it for A/B testing scripts too. Game changer for devs building responsive stores. Moving to tool number 2, Anthropic's Claude. Similar to Gemini but excels in complex reasoning. For ecom, it's perfect for optimizing checkout flows. Demo, log into Claude.ai, free tier, ask optimize this HTML form for higher conversions with AI insights. It analyzes and suggests tweaks like adding urgency prompts or simplifying fields. Result? Reduced cart abandonment by up to 25%. If you're debugging sales funnels, Claude's your analytical brain. Now, tool number 3, Perplexity AI. This free search engine on steroids is a dev's dream for SEO research. Boosting ecom sales starts with traffic, right? Demo, go to perplexity.ai, query the top SEO keywords for fitness apparel ecom in 2026. It pulls real-time data with sources. Use those in your meta tags or content. Hello, organic traffic surge. I've seen sites double their search rankings overnight with this. Tool number 4, Zapier. Wait, AI in automations? Absolutely, their free plan includes AI-powered zaps. Connect your site to email lists or inventory. Demo, create a zap where a new sale triggers an AI-generated thank you email with upsell suggestions. No code needed beyond basic webhooks. This keeps customers coming back, boosting lifetime value without extra effort. Halfway there, if you're loving this, smash that like button now. It helps the algo push more gold like this your way. Tool number 5, Canva's Magic Studio. Free AI for stunning visuals that sell. As a web dev, you know images drive clicks. Demo, in Canva, free account, use Magic Design to generate product mockups from text prompts like sleek iPhone case on a beach. Export and embed on your site, instant engagement. Studies show pro visuals lift conversions by 40%. Easy peasy for non-designer devs. Tool number 6, Siona AI. Specifically for ecom SEO, with a generous free tier. It scans your site and suggests AI-optimized content. Demo, sign up at siona.ai, input your URL, and get keyword-rich product descriptions. Implement via your CMS, watch Google love your pages more. Perfect for devs maintaining multiple stores, one user reported a 35% traffic boost in weeks. Tool number 7, Octane AI. Free quizzes that personalize shopping experiences. Engage users, collect data, suggest products. Demo: set up a free quiz on octaneai.com, like find your perfect skincare routine. Embed the code snippet on your site, it uses AI to match answers to inventory. Result? Higher add to carts and funneled sales. Ideal for fashion or beauty e-com. Tool number 8, Hugging Face. Free access to thousands of AI models for custom integrations. Want sentiment analysis on reviews to highlight positives? Demo: browse huggingface.co, pick a model like Distilbert Base Uncased, fine-tuned SST2 English, and use their free inference API in your code. Boost trust signals on product pages, sales follow. Tool number 9, Replicate. Run AI models for free, limited runs. Great for image generation or text-to-image for product variants. Demo: at replicate.com, prompt generate variations of red sneakers. Download and use in your gallery. This keeps listings fresh, enticing buyers to explore more. Subtle sales hack. Finally, tool number 10, Google Cloud's free AI tiers, like Vision API. Analyze product images for tags or quality. Demo: set up a free Google Cloud account, upload an image via their console, and get AI descriptions. Script them into alt texts or search features, improves accessibility and SEO, driving more qualified traffic. Phew, that's 10 powerhouse tools. Each one free, each one demoed, and all geared to make your e-com site sell like hotcakes in 2026. Imagine the time you'll save, the revenue you'll gain, it's all at your fingertips. If this video fired you up and you're itching to try these, do me a solid, like if you learned something new, subscribe for weekly dev hacks that pay off, and share with a fellow web warrior who needs this boost. Your support keeps the content coming. Let's build better web together. As a teaser, next week, we're diving into AI-powered no-code platforms that rival custom dev in 2026. You won't want to miss how they slash build times by 70%. See you then, code on.